It's day 16 of the 25 days of suggestions. Yep, today we're going to be taking a look at World Grand Prix Globie. But why is he in the World Grand Prix line? He's not World Grand Prix. Yes, he was seen at the World Grand Prix, but he's not a World Grand Prix racer. I don't understand. And why is he the only Super Chase not to be in the scavenger hunt line? I don't know. Mattel, why are you making mistakes? Anyways, of course, we all know where he was seen. We will get into a view of this in a little bit. Of course, this was, suggested by me because I wanted to do a suggestion, and I absolutely adore Globie. I mean, look at that face. You just gotta love that face right there. Just look at it. Look at it. Anyways, of course, I'll be also taking a closer look at a different Globie a little bit later on. Everybody knows what that Globie toner is because Disney Docket's done the video on it before. But yeah, now let's take a closer look at this packaging here, because there's the name tag that says World Grand Prix Globie. There's the ridge on the name tag. This is made by Mattel, 3+ with no paper stickers. Pretty cool. He is a Super Chase, which means there are only 4,000 models of him produced in the whole entire world. I'm lucky enough to have 2, so that's pretty cool. We can see Globie's artwork here, because this is a deluxe, because that's why it's not fitting on the whole screen. Cars logo. Like I did say, he's in the World Grand Prix line for some really weird reason. Here is the back. We can see Globie's prototype. Of course, made in Thailand. The very first Super Chase to be made in Thailand. Yep. And of course, we can see there's a scene of where Globie was seen in Cars 2. And there was another scene where his Professor Z jumped on him. And of course, you can see the bar here. Super Chase vehicles are limited to no more than 4,000 units produced. So, pretty cool. And that is his packaging. Now, we will take a closer look at his die-cast here. So, if I did add any pictures of where we've seen in the movie, I would have done so already. And let me know about the snow effect in the background as well. And one other thing, if you see this here, I was doing cooking in college and yeah, that kind of happened. So sorry if that's a bit annoying and bugging you out. That's going to be here for the rest of Christmas, maybe, till it heals, but yeah. Now let's get on to the review. He's got this nice smug-like smile here. We've got the World Grand Prix official logo here for all in all. We've got Globie's eyes. Pretty cool. Of course, that's pretty much it. He's got this weird random spoiler. Pretty cool. The wheels, pretty massive. Here's the base if you're interested, and we'll go through over the country in a sec. Disney Pixar, made in Thailand, 2018. So pretty much the first ever Super Chase made in Thailand. And he's literally a sphere, like a ball. He's literally, you could pick, that spoiler wasn't there, you could literally pick him up and chuck him about. Yeah. Anyways, on to some of the countries. We've got America, we've got Russia, we've got all the countries over here. We've got some countries under here which I do not know. USA, Mexico, Brazil. Back. There is Australia. Pretty cool. Put Globie here for now. Of course, there is another Globie that I want to take a look at, which is the dispenser Globie, which you can't actually see. I'm holding his hood because there's squinkies inside, which you guys know is the squinky one. But yep, you can see the things come out here. Maybe this is a video for another day on its own. Pretty rare, but of course he is a different colour. Just taking off his hood. But yeah, anyways guys, if you are new, please make sure you smash that like button. Just bring down Francesco because he was literally just above. Dislike if you dislike. The snow effect is pretty cool in my opinion. Anyways, until the next one. Bye guys.